Okay guys, now we're here at the French Village. Yan. Ito mo, meron silang lugo. Ito po ang French Village. Oh, di ba? Galing. Malamig pa rin po. Oh. Right there. So lunch po kami, then ikot. Ito ang aming na-stop pag umuwi. Ayan o, Fagi. French Village. Fagyo, medyo maambon. Yan. So guys, that's all for now. That's all for today. Then we're going back to Hoi An, check in at the hotel. So, bye! Guys, ito po yung center ng French Village. Ito nyo yung fog. Yan. Pakita ko lang po sa inyo. May katedral. Ganda oh. So, dyan po nagtatapos ang ating tour sa Bana Hills. Doc Rick signing off. Yahoo!